I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to remove password from PDF files in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First of all, open your protected file, and if you have access to password, you can just simply enter the password, then click on print, click on the Microsoft Print PDF to PDF, and click on save as PDF and save it as a new file, as you can see right here. Let's name it with another name. And as you can see, the second method is by searching for I love PDF website. Click on the first link and then go for unlock PDF option, which is remove PDF password. Then click on select the file, the protected file, as you can see right here. And then click on unlock PDF, wait a little bit, and then download the unlocked PDF version. As you can see, is working right now. I hope these two methods have helped you. If it is, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.